अच्छा जी, आज जो है हमारा टॉपिक है कि हम कैपकट के ऊपर अपने वीडियो का कवर क्यों बनाते हैं, ये ज़रूरी क्यों है? क्योंकि बहुत सारी जो लेटेस्ट आप एडिटिंग्स देखते हैं ना, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ना टॉप पे, बॉटम पे, ये वाला हम बनाते हैं मुख्तलिफ सॉफ्टवेयर्स में, लेकिन चूँकि कैनवा ईज़ी टू यूज़ है, इसमें हम इसलिए बनाते हैं। वैसे ये जितनी भी डिज़ाइनिंग हुई है ना, तो ये उस पे हुई है, फ़ोटोशॉप पे। लेकिन उस पे आपको ना वीडियो एडिटिंग की सहूलत नहीं मिलती, तो कैनवा इस पे भी थोड़ा आसान है कि आपका इंटरनेट हो तो आप इस पे वीडियो भी साथ ही अपलोड करके ऑडियो वगैरह लगा के सेट कर सकते हैं।
लेकिन अगर इंटरनेट हो
आपने
फिर आप
बैनर्स डिजाइन उसमें की है
फ़ोटोशॉप में,
फोटोशॉप
लेकिन होता इसमें भी है, बेसिक काम इसमें आपका हो जाता है सारा। लाइक जैसे ये आइकन है ना, ये तो बिल्कुल कस्टमाइज़ है, ये इंटरनेट कहीं से नहीं उठाया। ये मैंने डिज़ाइनर को बताया था, भाई ये इस तरह का मुझे चाहिए, ये आपने बना के देना है। वो फिर
जो आपने
डिज़ाइनर का,
कॉर्नर्स में बनाया
हाँ जी, ये मैंने नहीं, वो डिज़ाइनर बेसिकली वो फ़ोटोशॉप में या इलस्ट्रेटर में बनता है। वो एडवांस लेवल का काम है, मतलब हमें इतने एडवांस लेवल पे जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि हमने ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर नहीं बनना। हमने इतना करना है कि एक ऐड अगर हम बनाएँगे ना, तो वो अगले तक अच्छे से दिखे बस। असल मकसद हमारा ये है। या आप कोई भी वीडियो यूट्यूब किसी भी प्लेटफ़ॉर्म पे लगाते हैं, तो वो आपके लिए ना अट्रैक्ट करता है लोगों को, इतना फ़ायदा है। बाकी आपकी अपनी क्रिएटिविटी, आप जितना ज़्यादा उसको एनहांस करेंगे, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, तो वो हो जाता है उसके साथ। ये क्लियर हो गया ना आपको आइडिया कि ये वाला?
अब ये फोटोशॉप से उन्होंने उठाए हैं या खुद उन्होंने डिजाइन
खुद ही डिज़ाइन किया। मैंने उसको सिर्फ़ गाइडलाइन दी थी
इस तरह
कि
से
इस तरह की ये चीज़ें चाहिए। मतलब वो टीम लीडर के तौर पे ना कि भई ये चीज़ है, किस बंदे से क्या काम निकलवाना है ये मुझे पता है। मतलब मैं खुद ही नहीं बना सकता ये, क्योंकि एडवांस लेवल का काम है और टाइम भी इस पे लगता है। और दूसरा मसला है कि अच्छा सिस्टम ना हो, लाइक जैसे ये गेमिंग सिस्टम आपको पता है पड़ा हुआ है, तो इसी पे अब काम हो रहा है। क्योंकि इस समय मेरे ये जितने भी लैपटॉप्स हैं यहाँ पे, ये वाले करते हैं काम, लेकिन इतने अच्छे नहीं परफ़ॉर्म करते। तो फिर ये भी मसला है इसके लिए कि आपको प्रोफ़ेशनल काम के लिए प्रोफ़ेशनल सिस्टम, मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट ज़्यादा करो। कैनवा में ये इतना मसला नहीं है, आप इज़िली किसी भी मोबाइल पे भी कर सकते हो। तो ये बहुत ईज़ी टू यूज़ है। तो
इसकी क्या स्पेक है ये जो है गेमिंग
ये
वाला?
32 जीबी रैम है, 6 जीबी ग्राफिक कार्ड है।
अच्छा
तो ये आपको आइडिया होगी, ये वाला तो ख़ैर थोड़ा-सा पुराना आइकन है, ये बहुत पहले का है, क्योंकि ये सिस्टम तो काफ़ी टाइम से ऑफ था, मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया। अभी थोड़ा-सा कवर मेरा चेंज है, इससे अपडेटेड वर्ज़न वाला है। लेकिन ये बना है फ़ोटोशॉप के ऊपर। फ़ोटोशॉप पे आपको मैंने बताया कि बहुत बारीकी से एडवांस लेवल का काम होता है, या इलस्ट्रेटर पे। बेसिकली एडोबी अभी भी किंग है, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ों में वो मार खाता है कि एआई उसने इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं की, तो मैं खुद ही कैनवा पे शिफ्ट हो गया हूँ। तो मुझे आसान चीज़ चाहिए कि भई जो आप देखें, आप शेयर कर रहे हैं, अब ये चीज़ फ़ोटोशॉप उसमें नहीं है, मतलब हम इतनी ईज़िली ये चीज़ें शेयर करके वो नहीं कर सकते। मोबाइल पे ईज़िली विज़िबल है, काम नहीं कर सकते। इसमें ये है कि हम देख भी सकते हैं और काम भी कर सकते हैं। तो कैनवा बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है हमारे लिए, मतलब उसको हम
यूजर फ्रेंडली।
बहुत ज़्यादा ईज़ी टू यूज़ है, इस वजह से हम यूज़ करते हैं। तो जो हमारा बेसिक काम है ना, वो बिल्कुल इस तरह होता है कि जो हमारा
फोटोशॉप एडोबी में ही है ना?
एडोबी कंपनी है,
हाँ।
उसकी डिफरेंट वो हैं सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं। एक इलस्ट्रेटर है,
और
एक फ़ोटोशॉप है। जैसे होंडा कंपनी, एक सिटी है, एक सिविक है, मतलब अलग-अलग वेरिएंट्स, मॉडल्स हैं, और प्राइसिंग भी उसी हिसाब से होती है।
कंपनी जो है वो ढाबे
हाँ जी, ऐसे ही है। तो यहाँ पे इसके 2 तरीके होते हैं। एक तो ये होता है कि हम क्रिएट न्यू डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं, अगर बिल्कुल आपने बिल्कुल खाली बनाना है ना, तो फिर आपके लिए ये ऑप्शन है कि क्रिएट न्यू पे जाएँ, और बिल्कुल जो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट, लेकिन स्क्वायर वाला, मीन्स उसके पिक्सेल्स आपको पता होने चाहिए, क्योंकि फ़ोटोशॉप में इसको नाम नहीं पता होता। देखें अब वहाँ पे वो थोड़ा बेवकूफ़ है इस मामले में, और ये इंटेलिजेंट है, इसको पता है कि ये फ़ोटो उसके लिए बना रहा है, इंस्टाग्राम के लिए। फ़ोटोशॉप इतना एडवांस है, लेकिन उसको नाम नहीं पता कि ये किस चीज़ का है। अब ये चूँकि ईज़ी, मतलब आम बंदे को समझने के लिए इन्होंने इसका नाम दिया हुआ है कि इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट है, लेकिन स्क्वायर फॉर्म में। तो ये थोड़ा-सा ईज़ी है। असल चीज़ तो वो पिक्सेल्स हैं, 1080 1080। जब आप फ़ोटोशॉप पे काम करते हैं ना, तो उधर पिक्सेल्स डालने होते हैं। नाम हम उसको कुछ और देते हैं, जो हमारे एक्चुअल काम होता है। तो अब ये चूँकि हम कैनवा के फीचर्स देख रहे हैं कि ये बहुत ईज़ी है, मतलब हम इसको, अगर पिक्सल हमें याद नहीं रहते, तो हम ये समझ लेते हैं कि हमें इंस्टाग्राम का पोस्ट चाहिए, लेकिन स्क्वायर वाला।
अगर पिक्सल याद ना भी रहे
हाँ
तो
जी,
मैं सिर्फ
लेकिन वहाँ पे ये होता है कि आपको अगर पिक्सल याद नहीं है, आपका डिज़ाइन ही नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि स्टार्ट ही वो यहाँ से होता है कि आपने उसको डायमेंशंस देनी होती हैं फ़ोटोशॉप में। ये पता इसलिए होना चाहिए कि अगर कभी-कभार किसी की ऐसी रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती हैं, वो बोलता है भाई ये चीज़ें नहीं चाहिए मुझे, मुझे फोटोशॉप पे चाहिए क्लाइंट के हिसाब से, तो फिर हमें तो पता होता है भाई इसकी डायमेंशंस क्या, हम उस पर डायरेक्ट काम करते हैं, समझ रहे
अच्छा,
हो?
स्क्वायर की खास ये डायमेंशन है 1080,
जी 1080
ये
1080।
स्क्वायर की डायमेंशन।
तो ये पिक्सल्स में होता है, px मतलब पिक्सल्स की यूनिट है। लाइक हम इसको फीट्स में डिफरेंट उसमें यूनिट्स में बना सकते हैं। लाइक जैसे हमने यहाँ पे अगर डिस्प्ले करना है, लेकिन उसमें एक चीज़ वो है कि मोबाइल के ऊपर ज़्यादा उसका अच्छा व्यू होता है, और इस तरह से स्क्रीन्स के लिए ये इतना सूटेबल नहीं है। स्क्रीन्स के लिए मैं ये रिकमेंड आपको कर सकता हूँ कि फिर आप वो यूट्यूब थंबनेल वाला वो बनाएं, क्योंकि वो स्क्रीन के ऊपर फुल फिट आता है। जैसे मैंने आपको अपना ऐड दिखाया था कि मैंने 2 वेरिएंट बनाए थे, एक इस तरह से कि वो सुपर एलसीडी में दिखेगा, और एक जो रिसेप्शन पे वो टैबलेट्स हैं, मतलब मोबाइल की
ये
तरह।
मोबाइल के लिए ठीक है।
जी ये मोबाइल के लिए ज़्यादा ठीक है, वैसे कहीं भी इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कोई मसला नहीं है, लेकिन ये ज़्यादा बेस्ट मोबाइल के लिए। और ये वाला जो है डेस्कटॉप, जैसे यूट्यूब हम मेन यूज़ करते हैं ना, तो वो इसी तरह हमें फुल स्क्रीन दिखाता है। क्लियर है ना?
इसी पे डायमेंशन।
अच्छा, उसमें हम पिछले जो थे
ये
क्या
रेक्टेंगल
कहते हैं?
शेप का है इसमें थंबनेल में तो, है ना?
ये 1280 720 है।
ये रेक्टेंगल हो गया, वो
ये समहाउ
1080 है
हाँ
ना?
जी, जैसे ये स्क्रीन है ना
हाँ,
हमारी
ये
इस तरह का है।
रेक्टेंगल शेप है।
जी
अच्छा, उसमें जो एक तो कैरोसेल था ना,
जी
दूसरा
जी।
ग्राफिक डिजाइन जो सिंगल स्क्रीन वाला होता है, उसका भी कोई नाम है, जैसे उसको कैरोसेल कहते हैं।
नहीं, ये तो हम
वो तो
उसको
टेम्पलेट्स हैं।
खुद ही हम नाम देते हैं, ताकि हमें पता हो कि ये बेसिकली स्क्रॉल करना बहुत डेटा है, तो इसको हम स्प्लिट करते हैं, इसलिए हम उसको ग्रेजुअल बोलते हैं, कैरोसेल।
हाँ,
नहीं तो
कैरोसेल।
बाकी कोई मसला नहीं है उसमें।
जो जो सिंगल पेज होते हैं उसका कोई नाम नहीं है।
वो आपकी मर्जी है, सिर्फ उसमें डायमेंशंस का मेन डिफरेंस होता है कि आपको किस डायमेंशन में
दूसरा
बनाना
हम
है।
पीछे जो है ना क्रिएट न्यू डिजाइन की बजाय हम उधर जाते थे टेम्पलेट्स पे,
हाँ जी,
तो इसमें हम क्या
क्योंकि
उधर
ये चीज़
जाएंगे?
है यूनिक ना, मतलब ये
अच्छा अच्छा
इसमें
अच्छा।
ऑटोमेटिक पड़ी नहीं हुई है,
ओके,
इसमें आपने अपनी
इसमें
क्रिएटिविटी करनी है।
टेम्पलेट्स नहीं है, बल्कि
हाँ जी
आपने क्रिएटिविटी करनी
जी जी,
है। ओके,
मतलब ये थोड़ा सा यूनिक है ना,
सही।
हो सकता हो, लेकिन मैंने कभी सर्च नहीं किया और शायद होगा भी नहीं, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा यूनिक है ना, और हर बंदे की रिक्वायरमेंट्स चेंज होती हैं। अब ये तो मोस्टली टेम्पलेट्स में होता है कि कॉमन चीज़ देता है, ये चीज़ कॉमन नहीं है, और बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं पता है इसका असली कि ये कैसे बनता है, लेकिन ये बहुत अट्रैक्टिव है, बहुत सारे लोग। हाँ जी, क्योंकि उससे ये है ना, मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि फ़ायदा क्या होगा, कि अब ये ऐड आपके सामने आया है, ये आवाज़ मैंने म्यूट कर दी है, अब आपको क्या पता क्या बोल रहा हूँ, तो आप ऊपर वो रीड कर लोगे कि भाई ये बंदा क्या, किस चीज़ के बारे में बात हो रही है, इस चीज़ के बारे में हो रही है। नीचे CTA मैंने दिया हुआ है, मेरी वेबसाइट पे आओ या दुबई के नंबर पे, भाई पाकिस्तान वाले नंबर पे ऐसा रब्ता नहीं करो, मतलब वो फिर मेरी मर्जी है कि मैं उसको कौन से उस पर लगाना चाहता हूँ ना, कोई और कंट्री का भी लगा सकता हूँ। तो ये फिर इससे आप समझ लें कि क्लाइंट का हो सकता है, ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपका नंबर है, आपके क्लाइंट का हो सकता है, तो ये सिस्टम है। तो अब क्लियर हो गया ना आपको कि इससे ये हमें मेन एक फ़ायदा हो जाता है कि अगर ऐड हम दिखा रहे हैं या कुछ भी, जैसे ऊपर LCD पे मैं प्ले करना चाहूँ, तो भी ये बेस्ट रहेगा कि बंदे को डायरेक्ट आइडिया हो जाता है कि किस चीज़ के हवाले से। तो अभी हम इंग्लिश मोड पे शिफ्ट होते हैं सर, सही है। So first we have to make it Instagram post square, and you have to remember your dimension. The main thing is that 1080 1080 pixels.
Yes.
Now right now I'm going to click it, and it will be creating empty untitled design. First of all, you have to give a name that what we are going to do. I'm going to do that digital marketing in Islamabad. Like, it is not necessary you have to give any name what you are going to write or what you are going to design.
This is the name of this document
Yes
that will
yes
be
yes, so it's up to you that it should be like customized, not always. Yes, everything you can write it, but you have to remember that what you are going. And also sometime I wrote short it, and cause I have lot of data, so it's very like confusing when you are finding again to reuse this design in other way. So I wrote in last short, so it's helped me again when I'm going to utilize same design in the new for new video. So I will make it copy,
You
not
also can take some symbol at the end.
yes, but most of the time other icons not allowed here, because it's destroy file type. It's showing it's damaged or corrupted or something. So that's why short is okay. Whatever you can do it. So right now you see there is a simple blank page. So I'm going to just click on element, and there we have to write rectangle or any shape you can draw. I'm going to search for rectangle, and again clicking on shape. Now you see it's draw, but I have to adjust the corners, and I will move this object to the top, and I will extend to border. Even I can move further, but it works very smart. The extra area is already hide. So this function is same like Photoshop. It's very smart. In the other way, in Pakistan we are using Corel Draw, which is very stupid when you are extending something. So it's also showing all objects, which is very unprofessional. This is very intelligent. It's automatically hide extra things in our. Yes, this is our only working area. If you are doing anything extra, so it will also hide. It will not include in our design. So it is a very good thing. So I just roughly draw here one rectangle, and I'm going to make it copy. I can click over here for duplicate, or I can press, you know what is the shortcut I told you before?
Control C or
No, one, yes, this is the other one way we can create a copy. This is also second way.
Control D.
D, yes.
Duplicate.
There is three ways. One is we can see Control C, Control V. It's work. It will copy anything we want. Second, Control D is very short. When we select object and press Control D, it's automatically creating. Like we don't have to need Control C and then Control V. It's long process.
Two
And
commands.
yes,
This is a single command.
And the other one is very good command. I have to press Alt and just drag and drop your object.
Achha, mashallah.
So in Alt you can. It's same like some commands are like Photoshop. It's also working in Photoshop. So some similarities look like a Photoshop, but Photoshop is very complex software. Complex means you have to be advanced.
Learn that.
Yes, but this is very smart, and you can do a lot of things over here. So you know how I can move? It's freely. I can move with the mouse. Or when you don't have external mouse or something, you can just move it by your key. But it's it's moving very slowly. So I can press shift for a long time and then left, right, up, down. So it will move very fastly. You see, with shift it's move very fast, but in a simple way I can press more, but it is very slow. So in that case, I just created very simple cover for my video, and the other task, just remaining add text box. Right now I'm going to type here digital marketing. And one thing more you have to remember, you don't have to write all things in your cover. Just mention 2-3 specific points regarding your video or whatever you are going to do. Like there is no necessary, because in my when I had some internees, they're doing this mistake. They're writing full chapters. There is no need of write anything. Yes. So here we have only 2-3 points we have to mention very quickly, so it will be understand and also it's look very good. And here is one thing more, that I choose very wrong colors, but it is by default. I can change the colors. I just click on this icon and again going on top colors, and right now I will go for colors. Like if I'm going to select this blue color, and I will click on change all. When I click change all, it's automatically change everything where I have done same activities. It is very, again, also good thing, which Photoshop can't. You have to do one by one individually, but here you can do it in one click. All things will be done. And here one thing more very good, like I'm using my own logo, so you have to go for it, upload and upload file. I already uploaded, so I don't need to go for uploads again. I just already imported
Okay,
in
so
the
okay.
Canva.
Okay.
So I will search a logo in upload section, not elements. Elements is for everyone. Upload is my property. So here you see I have lot of multiple. It's yes.
Options. Mashallah.
So there you must have to be asked for client that give me your logo. It seems you are very professional when you don't ask anything. It seems you are very stupid. You don't know what is this and what you are going to deliver. When you are asking something, some people get little
all
bored.
the
But
information that
yes,
he intends to put on the cover
yes,
page.
but mostly you
His
see,
WhatsApp, his IDs,
yes,
Instagram,
and
all social media links.
yes, and the
IDs.
client will appreciate you because yesterday I told you I was very happy. Before that I was sad, but I was suddenly shocked.
It's client duty that he or she will give the logo.
Most of the time they don't know, so it's your responsibility to ask that give me this data. If you are asking, so it seems you are professional. If you don't ask, you deliver, then they say, oh, you missed that, then you have to again do it all work. So it is very headache. So that's why a professional way, you have to ask things, what sort of things you want to need in your design, then you can grow it easily. Like yesterday project, I can discuss that he said before project I will give you 5 star because he's very impressed from my profile and all other things. Even I told you I wrote only 2 lines for proposal.
But your portfolio was strong.
Yes,
I think.
this
He
is
was
the way.
impressed by your portfolio.
That's
That
the way.
your
And the
portfolio
other
was good. He was impressed that you will be able to.
and the other thing, I did a little business with Allah in the daytime, so Allah blessed me.
MashaAllah, you tried this Hisham Bhai's formula.
Yes, sir. Before very long time, I'm just applying
Applying that
every
formula.
year,
Very good.
so it's helped me. Like before that, I did also, and I request Allah to make something for me that English Allah make us
MashaAllah,
friends.
you are
So that's
improving upon.
yes, mashallah.
You are speaking good English.
Thank you.
I'm very sure that you are a future good
So no,
digital marketeer.
yes, thank you, sir. So here you see.
Then we go for the prayer.
Sure, sir. And here you see, I just put it my logo. If it's up to client that whether they
what
want
all
on
stuff he
top
wants
or
on
yes.
the cover page.
It is not necessary like you
Would
don't
like
have.
to have his own picture.
Yes, but like you don't have your logo, it's not a necessary you must
Yes.
put your logo. It's my requirement, but not everyone like
Yes.
their logo. But logo is good thing because it's branding. When someone saying my status, they send me message, you are motivation for us. And also some LCTs appreciate me. Before 2 years you are not that much good, but right now you are doing too much good. So there is a lot of things like I'm improving day by day on that time.
Good, mashallah.
Yes, and as well other things.
You also can create a new logo for
You can.
our own self.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
But it is not necessary. I'm just giving an
See the idea
example.
what you
Yes.
want.
आपने तो खोला ना तो लिख के logos को आ गए. You already
नहीं,
built it.
ये
already
मैंने
बने
इसमें
हुए हैं, इन्होंने खुद बनाए हुए हैं।
I just uploaded my files and then
Okay.
uploaded
जी।
uploaded here. It's not generated by the Canva. It's made by a
Canva also
designer.
can generate the logo.
Yes. we'll have to
Somehow,
make-
but AI is not like human capacity, something creativity and AI, a lot of difference. AI generate not unique, it's for everyone, but the designer doing something work, so it's unique. So uniqueness is main thing. Logo is by self means that
Yes.
the main
It's actually
unique.
specific.
Yes, if someone already using, so it's not. And also it's creating a lot of problem, intellectual property in Amazon and other big brands. They create a lot of troubles for you when you are using someone brand name and you are selling without their permissions. And also there is a lot of other mistakes I done in my career, and I just learned, and right now I'm not working on that because I don't want to work with Pakistani people. But in past, after recording, I will tell you what I mistake I have done. But you will understand. You already work in some organizations, like there is some policies you don't have to mention your name. I have worked So in some cases you understand it that it is not allowed by organization. You can't mention. So that's how I make some mistake, but it's okay. They inform me that you should take care again, and I said okay, it's not issue. So right now it's okay. You have to create something, and again text. I wrote it text.
All the designs that
Yes.
you want on the top side. And
I just wrote I text, but the text is not visible, so I am just going to change the color white, and then I am going to extend. Like I have to increase the size because it's not visible. Right now it's visible, but the font is not good. And font is also should be very professional, not like more designy that it's not readable. Actually we are making this design to understand easily, not to confuse the audience. So that's the reason. So here I am going to put my logo over here. Like this is a very simple design in a first try, but you already learned that how I made, and again you are going to try and improving day by day. That's how you will learn. And this way, you know, already I told you three ways: control D, control C, and other is alt and drag and drop. And I just going to write it my number. If you need this design, you can contact me. I will charge you and I will create for you professional. This is just sample that I am sharing. In that way you can, but it's not necessary. You can't mention your number, so it is not necessary all the time. There is also a professional suggestion. You can mention your professional website, social media links. Like as a female you can't write your number, it is okay. And this is also a good thing you should know. When someone female client, maybe they don't know, they're chatting you and you are become more excited and you say I will write your number, but she will mind why you are writing my number. It's only for I am trusting on you, not for everyone. And you have to don't make my number public. So every client have different requirements. You have to understand. For yourself, you can do everything, but for client, you have to ask everything what you are going to do and what you are going to deliver. That's it for today. I think it's enough because it's very simple. And also one thing more still remaining: how you can check that this design is fixed, good or not. So there is one way.
You say this is a video call.
Yes, one thing more, two step is still remaining. Let me do it. Like I'm going to do it for digital marketing video. Let me search digital. So in 5 minutes I will finish, and then inshallah we'll going. I just searched digital marketing. It's my requirements, but it's like you are going for AI and you are going for architecture or something. It's up to you. And I'm going for videos because right now I need a video. So like you see, this one is okay. No, this is too much.
So we will have to upload a video that we want here.
For just for checking, not necessary. I'm just check it that whether it is fit or not. Cause I just draw roughly edges, but it's not actual. Right now you see videos cam, but it is not full, not on full screen. So I'm going to draw on full screen. That's our limit. No, I just find my mistakes. Like I have draw very short, so I can extend more. What I can do?
You can extend the video also, and
Yeah, this is the way, but it is not all the time working because like myself, I'm recording videos when I'm extending, so you will be cut in the frame. Like here you see, like we can, yes,
Okay.
I got it your point. We can do it. We can still do it, but this is not good thing because all time we can't stretch videos. So that's creating problem. In your way, you are right.
That's not a good option.
Yeah, not a good option, but it's not a professional.
Not professional. Okay.
So I'm going to, yes,
Preferable way of doing it.
exactly. So right now I'm just, you see it, I'm just moving it. It's give me the idea. Right now it's border. There is dotted line showing, and this is my border.
And let's try to extend the video. What happens?
Okay, let me control Z, and let me extend this one. It's also work, but some borders.
Instead of this, just we do it vertically. instead of this aspect, yeah.
No, video can't be stretched. It's a very unprofessional way.
We can't do it in
We
from
can,
the bottom.
but it is very unprofessional.
Okay.
We don't have to need any
Because
picture.
the aspect ratio will be
Yeah.
disturbed. And
This is a very unprofessional way. So we can only like scale, not stretch from the sides. This is a very unprofessional way. That's the problem. And that's it
but
for.
of course we can do it.
Yes,
but
if
it's
you
not
want, but it's not a professional.
way.
I'm teaching in a
Okay.
professional way, so
Oh.
that is not recommended.
Understood.
So I'm just extending the rectangles. You can draw first video. It's up to you, because you have to take the idea where is my limit.
So Canva has some built-in videos also.
Yeah, there is premium videos. This is actually premium videos. When you are not a premium member, you have to go for Evanto element, and it is also paid model. Mostly YouTubers, big YouTubers, they are using Evanto. Even I am using, because there is a lot of things.
They give options for the
This
for the premium members,
like
not for the free members.
Yes, this is not for free members.
They
I
don't
give
have
you.
option for the videos.
They have, but when you click,
limited one.
then you click, they say give me money. I give you free of cost, but not everyone.
Yes.
They are asking, because they also SaaS, they are
Yes.
generating software and selling. So that's how they are making money. So that's our cover is done, and let me delete this video, because I just taking an idea how I can draw and what is my limit. So I just done with it. You can improve all the text. I just give you idea, but it is not too much professional. It's very beginner, but it's for okay for you. You can adjust anything. And the last thing, we are going to share, how to share with your colleagues or everyone. And there is also two way. One is editor, one is viewer. Like you are going to share with me, you can give me access of editor. When you are giving to like unprofessional person, you can assign viewer, because they can only see, because when unprofessional person, maybe they delete your design, so it's creating problem. So our task is going to
the option is this one, where we authorize what type of share would
Yes,
be
yes.
over here.
Yes, like here let me go for force, like I mentioned in your ID. Internet is not working. Yeah, this is cam, see. So here is, I can see edit,
What
can
kind of
comment
share?
or we.
What options do you
If I'm give you this file, so I don't have any harm, because if you delete this design, I don't care. When there is some important thing, so I can give you only view option, because maybe you don't know and you just click it and you just destroy my all designs. So that's why you have to remember this option as well. You have to share two things. Candidate means they have full access, they can do everything with your design, and the viewer is only they can see, can't do anything. So it's up to you. So last thing is that download, and make sure you have to select PNG, then transparent.
Where is the download button?
PNG download.
From where do we click the download?
First we have to go share. You already know how to share with someone.
Yes,
with 2xs, the bottom we see download button. In download there is a lot of sections, but I have to go on PNG option. PNG, and as well transparent background. When you don't click and you are also not premium member, you can't do transparent. Here is also limitation. When you are free member, you can't do anything. But because we are premium members right now, so we can use transparent background. And again, save setting. Like in the future, I'm going to do something, it will remember what is my requirements. What PNG will do, this area will be hide, like a white area will not visible, where I can put my videos in CapCut. You understand?
Yes.
I think you didn't get it. Get it? Yes. See, the black means there is nothing. Like this area is empty. Here we can put our videos. But I just take idea from the inside the Canva. I took one video and I just apply everything. And here is our design. So it's
We might have kept that video over here.
we can, but in that case we have to export MP4 video, not PNG.
Okay.
But there is one thing again,
PNG is usually for the
pictures,
only picture.
but without background.
Because we did not put the video, that's why we saved as a PNG.
But
Had we
again,
put the video, then we would have been saving in
obviously,
MP3, MP4.
obviously, but the PNG have good thing. It will also remove extra backgrounds, and JPG it will don't remove any background, which create also problem. When you are placing the cover, you will not see your video will be hide. So PNG is good to remove backgrounds. So that's how it's enough for today. If you have any questions still, you can ask me.
The PNG removes the background.
Yes, automatically.
And the JPG doesn't.
Not, yes. You have to make extra struggle to remove background, and it's also very complicated task. Sometimes it's remove
But
extra.
actually, this is a video cover, so we should not have been saving as a PNG, because
PNG is
had we
okay.
put the video, then it would have an MP4 format.
It's again automatically, like if I'm going to put any video, see here,
Let's do it.
then I'm going to, for this, I will not go for PNG, I will go for MP4
MP4.
in that case.
In that case.
And here is also one thing more. When you are on PC, means laptop or PC, you can export up to 4K. 4K means quality. On mobile 1080 only. There is some limitation in premium as well. On mobiles you have quality limit. In the laptop or system there is no limitations. You can do both things.
And
whatever you want.
for mobile, what is it?
1080 means it's a quality. Like I am going to record this video 1080. 1080 is also good. 4K is more advanced. 8K is more advanced. But there is a problem. 8K require more space. 4K require more space.
No doubt.
1080 is requiring more space. Like I have more videos and then I am uploading, then deleting for mobile because I don't have enough memory, because it consume lot of my memory. So this is also one thing you have to remember. When you are exporting very high quality, it's create a lot of heavy files, and you have to acquire or some extra hard disks or some USB or memory card, a lot of other stuff. So you got it?
Yes.
So usually we do in PNG. You can do it in any format. It's not an issue, but it's up to you that how you utilize.
Right,
So
thank you very much. It's really interesting
Thank you.
to learn the video cover. And
Hopefully you learn, and
we'll
right now
practice it.